how to fix Snapchat filters not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat filters not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and now just type here Snapchat and then click on it, and now click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problems, now just go to storage, click clean up, and now clean anything you want here, just clean some space. And after that go to Play Store and type here Snapchat, and if you find any update, just update your Snapchat. And then just go to settings and go to battery and enable performance mode, and or you can just disable power saving mode and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And see you in the next video.